as a general contractor, as someone who's doing renovations, where do you usually see the most bang for the buck when it comes to people doing renovations before they list an existing home for sale? So if you're looking at one of those 1985,
Right.
1990 houses, and I'm like, well, I'm going to sell it, but I want to make sure I'm maximizing, and I got a couple dollars to do some renovations. Where are those dollars best served going?
Let's say I had a 1985 house, right? Let's say I've maintained it well.
Mm.
Um, if I'm selling it for the biggest bang for my buck, I would spend $25 a square foot to do a complete and thorough upgrades. And about $25 is a good amount to change all the doors, change all the trim.
Gotcha.
Really, if you've already done the underground plumbing.
Of course.
If you've already done the underground plumbing, and if you've already put in a new electrical panel,
Yeah.
okay?
So you don't end up one of them Challenger
Right.
panels or something.
So, electrical panel, you have to have a new one. New underground piping, if it was made before 1980. After 1980, it could be PVC, and so you're good for life. If you have that, I would next invest in the master bathroom.
Mhm.
Because a lot of people are spending time there. I would also, for anything that's 3 bedroom, 1 bath, I would add a bedroom and a bathroom, or I would add more bathrooms. I think houses today need more bathrooms.
Yeah. So 3 2s.
Three
gonna be
twos,
better.
add a bathroom. 3 3. If it's 3 1s that are out there right now, there's lots
Yeah.
of those 3 1s that are
Whole lot of
1,200 square feet.
Yep.
Right? I don't know how people live in those houses because you have like 6 7 people living there in one
Yeah.
bathroom.
Yeah.
Add a bathroom and a half, because it's ease, and do it all at once.
Mm.
Don't try to, if you're gonna get a plan done, get a plan done for everything you want to do, even if you have to do it in parts. But get the original plan done with the permit to do the whole thing.
Yeah. So that's a good point. So if I'm planning to do another bedroom, another bathroom, and a half bathroom, get plans for the bedroom, the bathroom, and the half bath, even if I can only just do the bathroom right
Yes.
now.
This is going to cost about the same. It's going to
Yeah.
cost about the same to do that, and then you can. Yeah, it's just you'll save so much more money on the back end.